welcome back to Kinder Kids TV, where learning is always fun and exciting. So kids, today I am come up with another set of sentences.
Wow!
Alright kids, it's time for reading practice.
Awesome!
Are you excited? So let's start.
The elephant is big and grey. Now you try.
The elephant is big and grey.
Good job. Now move on to the another sentence.
Okay.
She eats an apple. Now you try.
She eats an apple.
Amazing. Let's see another sentence.
All right.
The cat sleep on the bed. Now you try.
The cat sleep on the bed.
Good. Now let's move on to the another sentence.
Okay.
We share our toys. Now it's your turn.
We share our toys.
Well done. Let's see next sentence.
Okay.
The horse runs fast. Now you try.
The horse runs fast.
Good job. Now move on to the another sentence.
Wow.
The bear is brown. Now you try.
The bear is brown.
Good. Let's see another one.
Okay.
The flower is pretty.
Wow. The flower is pretty.
Good. Let's see next sentence.
All right.
We read a book. Now it's your turn.
We read a book.
Well done. This is a baby. Now you try.
This is a baby.
Well done. This is a frog. Now it's your turn.
This is a frog.
Good. Now move on to the another sentence.
All right.
I like to sing. Now it's your turn.
I like to sing.
Good. Let's see next sentence.
All right.
They are playing.
They are playing.
Good.
Awesome kids, your reading skill is truly impressive. That's it for today. Kids, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.